Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you what you can do with ChatGPT. So let's get started. Okay, so over here I'm on my Kali machine and you need to search for ChatGPT. So basically ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by openai in November recently. The latest version is 3.5 and you can use this ChatGPT, which is a chatbot, to solve your problem. You can ask any type of query, even you can ask for the coding. So what you need to do is, I'll show you over here. Search for ChatGPT in Google and click on the first link and click on Try GPT. You need to start a thread over here. So it is an artificial intelligence chatbot, and what it does that it will solve your problem. It will answer to your queries. It's still in testing phase, but it can answer as much as it can. It can help you out in your daily routine. Let me drop a query over here, like how to update Kali Linux by terminal. There you go. I have just typed one single line, and there you can see that it will help you out step by step. You can copy this step, you can follow this step. There it is. You can also regenerate it again, regenerate response, and it will again use something else, or it can modify it. There it is. Even you can ask several different commands, not just regarding your Linux desktop. You can ask the Windows command, you can ask Mac command, or you can even ask it to write an essay or a letter. Let me ask regarding the nmap command, how to use nmap command in terminal with its switches. There you go. I think this is the future of what you can say, each and everything which we search on Google or Stack Overflow, and then after some time the experts reply back with our queries. So this is, I think, you don't have to wait for anything else. You just have to type your query, and there, look, it's on its move, and there it is. It has given you brief information that what you can do with nmap command and what are the switches. Okay, let's drop another query, like how to discover network on Linux. There you go. You can follow the step and you are good to go. Each and everything is in explain. Let's drop another query, something other than anything technical. So write letter to your manager asking for a day off due to sickness. There you go. You just need to fill your manager's name over there and you are all done. You don't have to think, can do quite a lot of stuff. You can even ask this ChatGPT to write an essay also. So let me give you one more example, like write a code, write a CSS code for creating circle. There you go. There's a CSS code. There it is, even the oval. There it is. You can use this exact code and you can stick this in your coding, and you are ready to go with the oval and the circle. Let's go for one more example, like write a WordPress plugin for displaying weather. It can write WordPress plugin also. There it is. Started PHP coding. You need to sign in for weather APIs to get the live weather, and there it is. There is a comprehensive code. You need to activate the plugin from the WordPress. It's getting updated day by day. It was released in November, and now it has been updated, which is ChatGPT December 15 version. So that was ChatGPT for you, the future of AI. You can perform pen testing command, you can perform your daily activities, you can perform whatever you want to ask this artificial intelligence, and it will get updated and it will get modernized with the time goes. So that was a wrap up. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Bye bye.